here we have a very complicated setup with PVC fittings. So what I want to describe here is what we've actually done with the pipework. So the idea with these is that if we have a union, an elbow, a union, and an elbow, we can turn the setup in any direction, because then we go into a union, elbow, into a union, elbow, into a union, elbow. So what that gives you is that gives you flexibility to actually move in many different axes. Like this one gives you, these two gives you the flexibility to move in this axis. This one gives you the flexibility to move in the other axis. I'm just going to remove that one so demonstrate that. So here with these ones, we can move in this axis and adjust for height. And then with the other ones, we can move in this axis and adjust for height. So this allows us to swap between different pumps with different orientation ports. My colleague will start swapping that pump in there now. So it just gives you, it's quite a complicated thing to put together, but if you've got a situation where you need a lot of flexibility, where, for example, if it's a testing station or it's something where you know you're going to be connecting different things up at different times, then this setup gives you the flexibility to do that. The nice thing with the PVC fittings is if you have these unions at each of these points, you can completely disconnect it and swap it around. So like, let's say, for example, you've got a joint here and that joint was leaking. You would only need to redo the section of pipe from that union to this union, as that will allow you to just correct the part with the leak and not have to redo the whole section of piping there. See, so now that output is connected to that pump, and as you can see here, now you've got different options for the orientation of the pump because it's free to move in many directions.